Hello students, as we all have completed linear equations till 5 exercises, so here we are today to have exercise 2.6. I hope whatever you have done till now is very well understood by you all, and this is going to be a small part of your bigger questions in the further chapters. So this is a very important chapter. As I told you in class 7, fractions and decimals is very important. That is become a part of this chapter. Now this chapter will be a part of your further chapters, so make it thorough. Do more and more practice of this chapter from books or from Google. You can take the extra questions or you can ask me as well. So here it is, this exercise is a mix of direct questions, direct solving equations, as well as a very few statement questions. Solve the following equations, and the first part is 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equals to 2. So here we will do the cross multiplication, considering that the right hand side 2 is has 2 upon 1. Let it consider 2 upon 1. Now cross multiply, or else you can directly take this 3x को हमने right side पर लेकर गए, तो it will be multiplying because here it is dividing. Either if no need of considering it as 1. So 8x minus 3 is equals to 2 into 3x. 3x को हम right side पे ले गए. So 8x minus 3 is equals to 6x. Now take the variables on one side and constant on another. 6x on coming to left side will be giving you 8x minus 6x, और minus 3 को right side पर ले जाएंगे, it will give you plus 3. So 2x is equals to 3 and x is equals to, now 2 right side में जाके will give you 3 upon 2. So this is the very easy question. X is equals to 3 upon. Second question says 9x equals to 7 minus 6x equals to 15. This is also very similar. The only difference is when you take this 7 minus 6x to right side, वो 15 से पूरा number multiply होगा. Because we'll take this 15 with both 7 and with minus x. So it will give you 9x is equals to 15 sevens are 105, and 15 into minus 6 will give you minus 90x. On taking this minus 90x to the left hand side, it will be 9x plus 90x will be giving you 99x is equals to 105, and x is equals to now 105 divided by 99. I guess by now you are ready to do it on your own. मेरे स्टेप कराए बिना भी आपको ये समझ में आ गए होंगे, because you have done so many questions similar to this. So both the numbers, this is not the right finished answer. This rational number is reducible with a table of 3. So we will reduce it. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Niche denominator, and the numerator is 3 3s are 9. 1 is left, 15 it will become. So 3 5s are 15. So here the value of x is equals to 35 upon 33. You can also write it in mixed fraction, or you can write it as it is. Now the third part is having क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन एंड राइट साइड में बोथ साइड्स नंबर. तो 9 को z से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और z प्लस 15 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. I'll show you once. 9 will be multiplied with z and z plus 15 will be multiplied with 4. So 9z से करेंगे तो 9z आ जाएगा, और 4 को दोनों नंबर से करना होगा. इट विल गिव यू 4z, और 4 को 15 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So 4 15s are 60. Now take the 4z to the left hand side. It is 42. No, it's 4 and z. I'll correct it for you. It is not 4 42, it is z. So 9z minus 4z is equals to 60, and on solving this 9z, I'll make it clear for you first of all. This 9z and then this 4z on multiplying will be giving you 5z. Okay, So 5z is equals to 60. And 5 is multiplying with z, so you will be taking this 5 to the right hand side, it will be dividing. So 5 into 12 is 60, so the value of z is equals to 12. I hope this red colored number is clear to you. Well, this is z, not 42. By mistake I have written that. Now the fourth question is again having two fractions, two rational numbers on both the sides. So you will be doing the क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. 5 को अब ले जाएंगे 3y प्लस 4 के साथ एंड -2 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइंग विद 2 माइनस 6y. ब्रैकेट लगाना बिल्कुल नहीं भूलेंगे, बिकॉज अगर ब्रैकेट नहीं होगा तो यू विल बी टेकिंग इट इज ओनली वन टर्म. सो 5 3s are 15, it will be 15y and 5 4s are 20. तो -2 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो -4 और -2 को -6y से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 2 6 are 12 एंड माइनस से माइनस कट के हो जाएगा +12y. Now take the variables on one side. 12y on taking to the left side will give you -12y, which on further solving you will give you 3y, and +20 will take to right hand side, it would be -20. So 3y is equals to -24 because these both are negative, so we will be adding it and the sign will remain same of minus. अब 3 यहाँ से उधर जाके divide होगा, so 3y is equals to y is equals to -24 upon 3, it will give you -8. Let's continue next question. This is very similar. I want कि आप ये अपने आप करते. Anyways, 3 को 7y plus 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और -4 को y plus 2 से. So 3 को 7 से करेंगे 21y और 3 4s are 12. एंड -4 को y से करेंगे -4y, -4 को 2 से करेंगे -8. So take the variables on one side. This -4y on transposing to left hand side will give you +4y and +12 on right side transposition will give you -12. So 21y plus 4y will be giving you 25y and -12 and -8 will be giving you -20. So y is equals to -20 upon 25. So it will be reducible. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So the value of y would be -4 upon 5. I hope this is very well clear. Now question number 6 and 7 are the statement questions, and with this the chapter is going to be over. Question 6 is the ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio of 5:7. तो श्योरली हम उनके एजेस को मान लेंगे, हैरी को 5x और हरी को 5x और हैरी को 7x. 4 years from now, तो 4 years के बाद उनकी एजेस निकालेंगे क्या होंगी, जो प्रेजेंट एजेस हैं उनमें +4 कर देंगे. The ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. तो सबसे पहले हमने लेट किया हरी और हैरी की एजेस को 5x और 7x. After 4 years, हरी's age will be, जो 5x आ जाए उसमें 4 प्लस हो जाएगा, और हैरी की एज 4 years के बाद जो अभी प्रेजेंट एज है 7x उसमें +4 हो जाएगा, 7x plus 4 years. So according to question, he is saying 4 years के बाद जो दोनों की एजेस हैं उनकी रेशियो हो जाएगी 3:4, यानी कि 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4 इक्वल हो जाएगा रेशियो 3/4 के. So this type of question you are very well knowing because you have done a lot of questions like this. To solve the value of x, you will be cross multiplying 4 with in bracket 5x plus 4 and 3 in bracket 7x plus 4. This you will get what I spoke. Then 4 5s are 20x and 4 4s are 16 with the sign of plus is equals to 3 7s are 21x and 3 on multiplying with 4 will give you +12. अब चाहे आप x को इधर ले जाएंगे चाहे कांस्टेंट्स को, it's one and the same thing. So आपने 21x प्लस का था इधर ले आए -21x और +16 उधर जाके -16. तो 20x minus 21x will give you -x or 12 minus 16. One is plus, one is minus. So you will be subtracting. So 16 minus 12 is 4 or 16 is having a bigger sign. 16 is the bigger number and the sign of 16 would be considered, that is minus, so it would be minus 4. Now on both the side minus and minus will get struck off, so it would be x is equals to 4. But x इसमें नहीं निकालना था आपने सिर्फ, if you remember it was Hari and Harry, उनकी present ages निकालनी है. तो प्रेजेंट एज हरी की थी 5 इंटू 4, 5x हमने कंसिडर की थी. हरी की एज थी 5x, दैट इज 5 इंटू 4, दैट इज 20 ईयर्स. और हैरी की एज थी 7x, so x की वैल्यू डालेंगे 7 इंटू 4, दैट इज 28 ईयर्स रिस्पेक्टिवली. So I hope this is clear to you well. The age of Hari and Harry would be 28 years, 20 years and 28 years respectively. These are the present ages. Now the last question of this exercise is, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator. This is the first type, this type of question. This is a rational number जिसमें denominator नीचे और numerator the upper one की बात हो रही है. He is saying the denominator is greater than its numerator by 8. It means अगर हम numerator को x मानते हैं तो denominator उससे 8 greater है, तो 8 ज्यादा है. तो अगर न्यूमिनेटर हमने माना x, तो डिनोमिनेटर हमें मानना होगा x plus 8. Then what is saying? He is saying if the numerator is increased by 17, न्यूमिनेटर को हमने 17 बढ़ाया तो न्यूमिनेटर हो जाएगा x plus 17, और डिनोमिनेटर को डिक्रीज करा है हमने 1 से, जो x plus 8 है उसमें -1 और कर देंगे, तो द नंबर ऑब्टेन्ड इज 3/2. It is not written here, I'll write it for you. It is given in the question that this is 3/2. Okay. So according to question, जो आपका न्यूमिनेटर था x उसमें 17 हमने ऐड किया. ये मैं आपके लिए यहाँ पर पहले नए वाले न्यूमिनेटर डिनोमिनेटर लिखती हूँ कि पहले हमारा न्यूमिनेटर है x, अब नया न्यूमिनेटर वो कह रहा है हमने क्या करा, इसको इंक्रीज किया बाय 17, तो यानी कि x plus 17 हो गया. और जो पुराना डिनोमिनेटर है हमारा x plus 8, उसमें उसने बोला डिक्रीज बाय 1, तो जब हमने x plus 8 में -1 डिक्रीज करा तो इट विल बी गिविंग यू x plus 7. तो वो कह रहा है इससे जो नंबर फॉर्म होगा, न्यूमिनेटर में आ गया हमारा x plus 17 और डिनोमिनेटर में x plus 8 minus 1 विच विल बी फर्दर गिविंग यू x plus 7, तो वो इक्वल है 3/2 के. तो हमने उसको इक्वल रख दिया. वी विल नाउ सॉल्व द इक्वेशन. x plus डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा 7 एंड नाउ वी विल बी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस. सो 2 इन ब्रैकेट x plus 17 और 3 को राइट साइड से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे न्यूमिनेटर, तो इट विल बी x plus 7. Now 2 into x, 2x, and 2 into 17 would be 34. 3 into x is 3x, and 3 into 7 is 21. So now take the variables on one side. So 2x minus 3x हो जाएगा, और 34 जो प्लस हो रहा है राइट साइड में जाके minus 34. 2x minus 3x will give you minus x or minus 1x, and 21 minus 34 will give you minus 13, because 34 is the bigger number, so the sign of negative we will be taking. So the value of x would be 13. Here we have the value of x to be 13, but we have to find the rational number जिसमें numerator था हमारा 13, x था हमारा numerator, that is 13, and denominator is x plus 8. So x is 13 plus 8, 13 plus 8 is 21. This is numerator and denominator. So what is the rational number form? That is 13/21. So here our chapter is done. Now keep revising this chapter from NCERT. Do all the examples of NCERT book and try solving many more questions from extra books or from internet. You can take the questions, or I will also provide you some extra questions, but you really need to do a lot of practice for this chapter. Do complete your work in the notebook. Take care. Bye bye.